This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the card type and compatibility with your device, because transfer errors often come from mismatched formats. Next, back up any irreplaceable files to another drive so you don't lose data. Make sure at least 10% free space remains on the card. Insert the card into a known good reader or your device slot. Once it's connected, wait for the system to mount it before proceeding. This prevents corruption and speeds the transfer. You should open a file manager or transfer utility and navigate to the source location, because using proper tools cuts mistakes. Select files in manageable batches, copy 100 to 500 files, or keep chunks under 4 GB for FAT32, then start the transfer. Watch progress indicators and confirm file sizes or use checksums to verify integrity. If you encounter read errors, retry small groups. Make sure you do not. Once copying finishes, unmount or safely eject the SD card. This flushes write caches and prevents corruption, so do it every time. After removal, spot check key files, open documents, photos, and videos to ensure they play or load correctly. If you find missing or corrupted items, reconnect the card and run a file system check like CHKDSK or FSCK and use recovery tools if needed. Remember, if writes failed, stop using the card to avoid overwriting recoverable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.